The patent TB-FW40 offers easy one-handed engagement to the cassette, which makes your job easier and faster. It also avoids any kind of cassette slippage, which could hurt your hands or damage the cassette. The first thing you notice when you use this tool is that it really grabs the cassette. It's a really firm engagement. You don't have to worry about it slipping or hurting your hands. It really works well. Okay, in this case, you can see we have the Shimano lock ring. So we're going to use the TB-FW30. So using that tool, we're going to insert it into the 9 o'clock position. So we have the chain pliers in the 3 o'clock. We have the lock ring tool in the 9 o'clock position. Okay, now you're going to take your hands and, as my friend in Switzerland, Lulu, likes to say, use gravity as your friend. And there you go. So this is the TB-FW40, an easier way to remove a cassette lock ring.